Hi, in this session I want to start discussing one of the simplest algorithms in machine learning, that is k nearest neighbors. Okay, so the idea is very simple for this algorithm. So if I have a data set where I have only two features x1 and x2, and in my output I have two classes, let's say 0 class and class 1. Okay, so if I simply try to plot a graph for this for x1 and x2, okay, let's say all my class 0 points I am marking it with red, okay, class 0 points I am marking it with red, and my class 1 I am marking it with green. Okay, so class 1 points I am marking it with green. Now, okay, so this is my class 1 and this is my class 0. So I have a data point, okay, which has its own x1 and x2. Let's say that point lies somewhere over here, okay, that point somewhere lies over here. So it is very clear that it should be labeled as class 0, okay, it is very clear that it should be labeled as class 0. So what k nearest neighbor says is that you choose the value of k on your own. Let's say I choose k is equal to 5, okay, so I choose k is equal to 5. I should simply find 5 nearest neighbors for my black point. For my testing point, I should simply find the 5 nearest neighbors. So if I see 5 nearest neighbors are somewhere going to be like this, this point, this point, this point, this and this. So let's say these are my 5 nearest neighbors to black, okay. So my testing point, these are my 5 nearest points. I can say that all of the 5 points belong to class 0, so my answer should come out to be class 0, okay. Now let's just change our point. If my point lies somewhere over here, now if I try to find my 5 nearest points, now those 5 nearest points might be somewhere over here, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one, okay. Again I will try to find from out of 5 to which class majority points belong to. This time 3 out of 5 points belong to class 1, so I will be predicting that this black point belongs to class 1. So idea is very simple, that just find k nearest neighbors, the value k we choose on ourselves, we just find k nearest neighbors, and out of those k, the what majority is going to say, we will be predicting that, okay. Idea is very simple. So general thing is that we will always take k as odd number. So why we will take k as odd number? To avoid the situation that there is a tie, okay. Let's say we took 4 nearest neighbors, 2 belong to class 0 and 2 belongs to class 1. So we will be stuck, we won't be able to predict either class 0 or class 1. So generally we take the value of k as odd value, okay. So now let's see how to choose the value of k, okay. So if I choose k is equal to 1, do you think it is a good thing? So if I choose k is equal to 1, there is going to be some problem in some cases, okay. So what is that problem? Let's say if one of my class 1 point lied over here, okay, was lying over here. If one of my class 1 point was lying over here very near to class 0 point, and the point for which I have to test is over here, somewhere over here, okay, somewhere over here. Now my logic tells me that I should be predicting that this belongs to class 0. Okay, my logic tells me that this belongs to class 0, but when I will be applying one nearest neighbor, that is k is equal to 1, so I will find one nearest neighbor and that would actually be this class 1 point. So it would be predicted as class 1, but in reality I mean it is very logical to say that it should actually belong to class 0, because majority of the points belong to, I mean it is very near to class 0 points, okay. So yeah, similarly if I take value of k as very high, okay, so just let me change my data set a little bit. So let's say I have only 9 points in class 0 and let's say in class 1 I have plenty of points. Now if I take k is equal to 20, okay, let's say I take k is equal to 20 and my data point lies somewhere over here, okay, somewhere over here. Now it is very clear that this should be labeled as class 0, but as per our algorithm, it will try to find 20 nearest neighbors. So from 20 nearest neighbors, so all these data points will come into the picture, 9 of these points will come into the picture, but 11 points will come from here, okay, 11 points are going to come from here. So what that means, that if I take k is equal to 20, 9 will belong to class 0 and 11 will belong to class 1, hence my class 1 is going to be predicted, despite clearly it should have been labeled class 0, but it will be labeled class 1. So this is the problem of taking k as very high. Okay, so we will have to actually balance it out between taking k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 20. Okay, normal cases k is equal to 20 is not such a high value. It is only high value because here we are taking very few data points, like only 9 points are belonging to class 0. So we have to avoid taking k as very high and we have to avoid taking k as low as 1. We should basically balance it out and choose an optimum value of k. Okay, so in the next session I will discuss how we can choose a value of k. Okay, the correct method of choosing the value of k. Okay, so I will see you in the next session. Thank you.